up, fam? This is
Like Being Bad.
I'm with my beautiful fiance today.
My name is Cassie B.
And I'm JC.
We are doing
This is Cassie's boyfriend.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, anyways, we got a bunch of snacks we're gonna review for y'all. Good or bad. Courtney's the one who decided, so if it's bad, it's her fault. Man.
The first one is there's no English on this. It looks
Horrifying.
it looked like a bugle.
He looks like he
Is
could.
it a bugle?
He looks like he could haunt you in your sleep.
Anyways, I don't know.
There's no description of what it is, so what does it smell like?
What does it smell like? It's like it smells. I think it's cheesy.
Okay, just take one.
Okay, take one.
Focus.
So this is called I don't know.
This is called I don't know.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's actually not bad. It tastes like.
I like it.
What does it taste like?
Like a what? What are those things called? Bugles?
Bugles.
Yeah, kind of like that.
It's like a sweet.
texture.
Yeah.
It's got like a sweet texture to it. I mean, a sweet taste to it. Okay, I give it a 3.
You give it a 4.
I have 3.
I'll give it a 4.
Okay.
Okay.
Kind of hungry.
No.
What?
Okay, the next one. It's like
Oh, that.
I don't know, but it's got a picture of a shrimp on it.
It looks like Ted.
So I might need to take Benadryl after this.
Because she's allergic.
But
Okay, we can't have this.
wait, maybe he
You guys
can.
can review it. You guys can review it.
Is it shrimp on it?
At first I thought it was strawberry,
Oh,
but
yeah,
then
there's
there's
shrimp.
a shrimp on it. I think it's a shrimp cracker.
I don't want it.
Wait,
Oh, yeah.
wait, if you smell it, are you gonna get...
No.
Okay.
Just a second.
Wait, do you need an EpiPen or something?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
Okay, we won't risk it. We don't want anybody to die yet.
How
Oh,
you
these
did
are
the
deadly
cookies?
shrimp crackers.
Oh, yes.
You're only allowed to have one.
Oh, it smells good.
Oh!
That's fine.
Oh, it looks like this.
Cassie.
Oh.
Cassie.
Said the body of Christ.
Okay, one.
I don't like the smell of it.
You have to smell it. You have to try it.
Okay, ready? Cheers.
One.
Cheers. Cheers.
1, 2, 3. I like it.
I got.
Just eat it. Just eat it.
You have
Just
to
eat
eat
it.
it.
You have to eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
I like it. It tastes like the
It's really-
ocean.
It's really fishy.
The ocean floor. I like it.
It's really fishy.
You're only allowed one.
I'm closing it.
I gave it a 2.
I give it a 4.
0.
Oh, the big bag.
It
This-
it just said matcha. That's all I understood.
Where did it say matcha?
I don't like matcha.
It didn't even say
It says
matcha.
matcha right there.
Oh,
It's the
matcha.
smallest English.
So we're gonna try this out. Let's get matcha biscuits.
Do you like matcha? Are you allergic to matcha?
No, I'm not
Okay.
matcha. Thank you.
Do I have to eat the whole thing?
Yeah.
Just take a bite.
You
I'm
have to eat the whole thing.
What? Seriously?
I'm not
Eat it.
Okay,
Eat
fine.
it. Oh, these are like the whatchamacallit cookies. Like the one with
I
the
don't
sa-
even like green tea.
It looks like this, guys.
looks like a ghetto Oreo.
1, 2, 3.
Cheers. This is what it looks like.
Mm-mm.
Mm.
No, I'm good. I'm not a big fan of matcha. I don't know. Do you like it? JC, you could take these home.
Oh, good.
The aftertaste is funny. The initial taste is funny.
Not a huge fan of that one.
There's-
Wait, what if there's nuts in here and we don't know?
You have to do like an after video on my allergic reaction.
I give it a 2.
I give it a 0. 0.
I'll give it a 3.
3.
Okay.
We just like
Keep saying
snacks.
that now until
I
it gets
just like-
an allergic reaction.
The next one is
Stiff
Stiff
chips.
chips, salted egg potato chips from the Filipino store.
I don't like salted egg in
Well,
general.
I don't know.
Why did you get eggs?
It-
Smell it. Smell it. It doesn't smell good.
It doesn't smell like anything.
I don't know. Isn't that supposed to be in like clothes and shoes?
I don't like that.
Well, you have to try it.
It smells like fucking blood.
Oh, maybe that's what this is.
Salted egg.
Okay, I'll try
I'm
it.
gonna throw up.
You have to try it.
That was gross.
You have to try it.
Throw up.
You have to
Oh,
try it.
that.
You guys are so arts, man.
No, I'm not Barnes.
Yes, you are.
I'm not a fan of salted eggs.
Okay, ready?
Hold on.
I don't like
Hey, cheers, cheers, cheers. You got the biggest one too.
2, 3. It's not that bad.
My breath smells like eggs. Smell your breath after.
I'm fine. Well, that tastes like egg.
My breath smells like egg now.
Tastes like hard-boiled egg.
What do you give it? You give it a hard 0.
0. Oh, sorry.
I give it a 1.
0.
I still smell it on my breath.
I'll give it a 3.
You could take these out too. Okay,
I smell my breath. It's made me throw up.
it's not that
Actually,
not
I
bad.
don't like it. I don't like
It's
it.
not
I like
that
the
bad.
aftertaste.
Next one is a Minna Notane chewing candy. So it's got different flavors: shriveled up cherry, lemon, Coca-Cola, and I don't know, water.
It's not water.
What is
It's
that
the,
then?
It's the that drink.
It says chewing candy, but it's hard.
Cheers.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna be gone.
I don't know what this one is. The
Does it
blue one?
dissolve? Is this acid?
Alright.
Oh.
Oh.
Like,
Oh my god, hurts.
it's bad
Oh.
flavor.
It's not gum.
It's sour.
It's chewy candy. It's sour. Is yours sour? It's sour candy.
It's not bad.
I like it. I give it a 4.
3.
3.
Those
I
are
think
good.
we've had these before.
Those are good.
I
Those are
wasn't
really
sure.
good.
So they look like cookies.
They are cookies.
They're basically cookies. Come on. Oh no, you're still chewing yours?
I just swallowed it.
Okay. Sorry, you didn't have to swallow.
Cheers.
Okay.
We don't cheers.
Mm.
They're
A
good.
little dry. I give it a 3.
I give it a 3.5.
I have 4. I like those.
4.5.
Okay.
That one's the best.
That one was the best.
Yan vanilla cream. I've never had the
Let's
vanilla
go.
cream one.
So high.
I've
So
never.
high.
He literally had Yan Yan like an hour ago.
Vanilla cream.
So I'm used to like the chocolate or the strawberry one.
It says on the thing, eat more carrots. Well,
Okay,
I
ready?
don't like the smell of it.
One,
Okay, ready?
2,
2,
3.
cheers.
Ew.
I like it.
Ew.
I like it.
I like chocolate butter.
I like the cookie
Chocolate
one.
better.
I like the cookie part. But that just tastes
Vanilla cream's okay.
like fake.
It tastes like coconut for some reason.
Mm,
okay.
I like it. I give it a 3.5.
I give it a 2.
3.5.
Nuts. It's almond crush biscuit sticks from Pocky. I've never tried this flavor. Have you?
Never.
Well, that looks intense.
It looks
That's pretty
good.
good.
That looks intense.
Sorry.
So this is what it looks like in the packaging. Okay,
Cheers.
1, 2, 3. Mm.
Yo,
Very good.
These are really good.
These are actually really good.
Very good.
That's a super fire.
This is really good.
What is fire?
Sorry, JC.
It's okay.
It tastes like Nutella.
There's does taste like Nutella. Actually.
But you can't have it, JC.
Because it's actual nuts. 4.5.
Five.
Okay.
This is Cassie chose this one.
Yeah.
Hello Pandas. They look like the koala one. They got little.
I got a drum on it. Oh, mine's curling. Mine's curling.
Don't eat it.
Okay, ready? Cheers.
Mine's for Christmas.
Clutch. That one's always fire.
Those are good too.
I give it a 4.
I'll give it a 5.
5.
That's
Good
all
job.
the snacks we got. So, which one, in your opinion, was the worst one?
A shrimp.
I think mine would have to be the
I
matcha
dare you
one.
to eat this again.
Oh, thanks.
I don't know who would like that. They have a spicy flavor too. Which one was your worst one?
The shrimp one.
Maybe Papa would like
The
these.
shrimp one. Which one you guys think was like the best one?
The best surprise one that I didn't know I was gonna like is this one.
I like
The
this.
pocky.
I like the pocky one. What about you,
I
JC?
like the first one. Like,
Oh, these
Oh, that
chips?
oh no, yeah, these.
Which one's a rebuy? Like you go to the store and buy them again.
Pocky.
That one.
Pocky?
Just these two. Maybe the pandas.
Alright, that's the end of our video.
Go
Hope you guys
subscribe.
enjoy.
So we'll link them down below. They've got YouTube channels too. Plug your YouTube.
It's just JC. But
Plug.
It's not called.
It's
It's
just-
just.
it's literally just. It's like JC. Not just JC. It's just. It's like JC.
Alright, so if you're looking for him on YouTube, it's JC.
Not just JC.
Yeah.
Or it's like JC, it's JC.
It's
We'll link it down below. Alright, ready?
Wait. You didn't give her time to plug.
Cassie Belinda on Instagram, YouTube.
Okay. Thanks for joining us.
See ya.
Boo!